Assalamu alaikum and hi, how are you all? Hopefully you all are good. This video is about the revision pack of lab exam assessment B. Let us see. In this revision pack we are given some musical notes and we have some instructions for it also. Let's start. It's unit 6, be a musician. Use Scratch online version to complete this program. Now what does the first step says? It says following are the musical notes for rhyme if you are happy and you know it. These are the musical notes for that rhyme. Use the algorithm given below to make code for this rhyme using Scratch programming. Here on the next page we have the algorithm. This is the algorithm for making the musical notes, musical sound for this rhyme if you're happy and you know it. And the backdrop and the sprite should be as shown in the following picture. This is the picture and we have to choose this backdrop, this sprite and this musical instrument to make the sounds for this rhyme if you're happy and you know it. All the steps for making this program are mentioned in this revision pack and its answer key. See, the answer key is also here. So let us now start making this program. Go to Google Chrome or whichever browser you have on your laptop or your iPad. You just type over there Scratch. When you type over there Scratch and enter there, you will get this link scratch.mit.edu. so you have to click upon this one, scratch.mit.edu. you just click upon it and from here start creating. Okay, it's open now, but we don't want this window, so we will close this, and we also don't want this sprite, so we will delete this. Are you sure you want to delete the sprite? Yes. Okay, we have to see, first we will select this backdrop, this character, this sprite, and then we will select this musical instrument. So go to the Scratch. Now this is the place from where we select the backdrops. From this tab it's coming choose a backdrop, so just click upon it and we will select the backdrop as Spotlight. The instructions are also mentioned here in the answer key. Okay, here we have many backdrops. We will select the Spotlight. This is Spotlight, so we will select this one, so it has appeared over here. Now we have to choose the sprite. From this tab on which the cat's picture is there, we have to choose a sprite. It's also written choose a sprite. Click upon this one and we have to select the princess character. So go to people. Now we will find the princess character over here. So the princess is there. We have selected princess. We will fix her position. Now as we have to make the musical notes, we must select music. Go to this purple block on this end, on this corner. Its name is add extensions. Click upon this purple block. Here there are many other tabs over there, so we will select only here music. Okay, there are musical instruments that we have in Scratch. They have appeared over here. See, it's a big list and we can select. Some of them are not visible over here, so we can select them from the sprite. First you must select music from here. Go to this purple block, add extensions, select music, then go to choose sprite. From here select music. Okay, from this one select this saxophone. Okay, now see it's here. Alright, now we have got the background same as it was shown in the picture of revision pack, like this one. So now we will start coding for making the musical sound. Okay, these are the musical sounds, musical notes, and this is the algorithm. Okay, the algorithm is saying start program when the green flag is clicked. So let's go to the scratch. Now we must see that which sprite we have selected. If we select princess, then the whole coding for princess will come here. But as we are going to make the musical sound, we must select the musical instrument. Okay, so select here saxophone. We must select this instrument, then we can have the coding for making the musical sounds. Okay, so select this one. Now we will start making the code. Go to events. When the green flag is clicked, bring it here. Then it say play note, this one, and repeat the step 2 how many times. We have to see that in the this given musical notes. Okay, the first sound is C and it is played 2 times, so we will use this thing over here. Go to sounds. Here we have play sound. Bring it here. Go to drop down and play sound C. Select this one. As it is here 2 times, this is mentioned, so we do not need to put it again and again. We will simply put it inside the repeat loop. So go to controls. This is repeat loop. Bring this repeat loop over here and change this 10 to 2 because the sound C is mentioned 2 times over here. 2 times it's there, so in the coding also we will change it to 2, and inside 2 this sound C is there, so it will run for 2 times. Now we have sound F. Now how many times it is? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times. So instead of bringing it again and again, bringing F sound again and again, we will just bring it one time and we will put it under the repeat loop. Here select F sound. Now we do not want to bring F sound 6 times. We will just bring it once, and from controls go here, select the repeat loop, change it to 6 because the sound F is mentioned there for 6 times. See here, we just counted, it is here 6 times, so we have put the sound F under the repeat loop. Then we have sound E one time, sound F one time, and then sound G one time. So these sounds we can put them separately inside the under the code. This one is here. Go to sounds, play sound, change it to E, then we have F and then G. Take this thing again, take this block of code, select from the drop down menu. E we have already selected, now it's F. Then again go to display sound, bring it here and change it to G. So it's done. The musical notes are completed now. They were here till G. So that we have done. Now we have to see the algorithm. What does the algorithm says? Algorithm says that repeat steps 2 to 8 forever. Repeat steps from 2. Step 2 is the step from where we have started the sounds. Okay, step 2 till step 8 forever. So we have to put it under forever loop. Okay, go to control and see, this was repeat loop that we have used, and this is the forever loop. So drag this forever loop upon this repeat loop and all the other steps will go inside it. Yes, I think you can hear the sounds, but see, as we have put it under forever loop, it will continue forever, it will not stop. So we have to stop it by ourselves. We will click upon this red button so it will stop. Okay, as we have kept all these blocks under the forever loop, if the music will start, we will first see that the sound notes are correct, it is producing the correct sound. Then we will have to stop the program by ourselves. So first click upon green flag. Hopefully you can hear the sounds. The sounds are produced correctly, but we must see that we have to stop this program by clicking upon this red button. So this was all about making the musical notes and using the musical notes for making the sounds for rhyme. If you're happy and you know it, we have used the repeat loop and we have used the forever loop also. Hopefully you all have understood it. Practice this thing and best of luck. Thank you so much.